Good afternoon. I wanted to take just a little bit of time and go over your verb tenses with you. As you will remember, there are 3 simple tenses. Then there are 3 perfect tenses, which use the helper have. And then we're going to move today into the progressive forms, which are progressive tenses. You'll notice you can make a present progressive, a past progressive, future progressive, present perfect progressive, past perfect progressive, and future perfect progressive. So I'll share this document with you. I have the 6 verb tenses here, and then all 6 verb tenses can be formed in the progressive as well. It's really helpful to understand the difference between the simple and the perfect tenses before you move into progressive. Remember, perfect tenses use the helper have. They indicate precise time in reference to other events. That's the key. We want to use exact communication. So the present perfect tense says that something is happening up until now. It could still be going on. So I have read or I have eaten. The past perfect tense has been completed before another event happened. So for example, by the time my mom made lunch, I had eaten already. So mom made the lunch in the past, but I had eaten before that. That's the past perfect. Also, you have the future perfect. It will be completed before another event is completed. So I will have eaten. By the time we get home, I will have eaten. Okay, these are your 3 perfect tenses. Sorry about that. Notice in your past tenses, your helper looks past as well. So I'm going to erase some of these things so that you can see more clearly. Your past tenses have past helpers. They're the only ones that have past helpers. Okay, we're going to move into progressive. It's not going to take us very long. Progressive means things are progressing. There's continuous action taking place. Therefore, you must have the ing because things are progressing. Okay? Present tense, I am reading. Past, I was reading. And future, I will be reading. Notice also, in addition to your ing, you also have a be verb with each of these progressive tenses. I color-coded this slide here. Your progressive demonstrates the be and the ing in each one of these. Be and ing, progressive, be and ing, progressive here. Now notice this is perfect, so I color-coded the perfect also. Perfect with have, perfect, past perfect has had, future perfect will have. Okay? Notice you have your be verb, your ing on each of these tenses. So, easy enough. Progressive continues, has a be verb and an ing. Now let me give you an example, and let's see if you can figure it out. I have a sentence here. I have been thinking, I'm still thinking, right, about taking a trip. We all want to take a trip, don't we? So this is continuous, I've been thinking. And it's ongoing. So it has a have, that makes it perfect. It also has think, that makes it present. And it has a be and an ing, that makes it progressive. So I have a present, perfect, progressive tense right there. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, I had been exercising regularly before I got sick. Bummer. Lots of flu going around. I hope all of you are feeling better. I'm going to change colors just for fun here. Let's look at this verb. I had been exercising. Notice you have had. That tells me it's past. It's done in the past. So is it a simple past? Is it a perfect past? Or is it a progressive past? Or some combination? I also see a be verb and an ing. I know it's progressive. So the had makes it perfect, past, perfect, progressive. Okay, let's take a look at just a past progressive. I was exercising when I fell. That's happened to me. Silliness. Getting too old for that, right? So my verb here is was exercising. This tells me it's past. There's no have. Remember, have or had equals the perfect tense. And we do have a be verb. We do have ing. That makes it progressive. So this is simply a past progressive verb. Well, that's the end of this lesson. You can also read in your grammar books on pages 98 and 99. And if you want to get a head start before class, you can begin working on exercise 414. And I will see you in class tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye-bye.